Dressmakers and friends, welcome back again on the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this beaded neckline design. You will find this video really helpful, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop me a sweet comment. You want to start with your clean base. Please note that for this design, you can actually use it on any other part. It doesn't have to be neckline only, but doing this with a clean base sort of just make your beads pop and just give your effort just that beautiful look. Okay, so now get your blouse, which you are going to be beading the neckline, and then you want to go ahead to thread your needle. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using a size 10 beading needle. You can do a needle test to know if the needle you have is appropriate for your beads. And I'm also using crystal bead right here. I'm also going to be mixing two colors, and just as you have seen from the intro video, I want the purple color to be at the center. So my combination is 1 lilac, 1 purple, and 1 lilac. So 3 of it just like this. Both the purple and the lilac are crystals. Okay, so note also that you can actually mix the type of bead. You can use crystal and pearls. You can even use like different size. Maybe you use a size 4 bead and a size 6 bead. Okay, I'm going to link a video on the different sizes of beads so that you can get more knowledge about that. I'm going to link it here for you to see. I'll also link it in the description, and I'm also going to link a video on different types of needles. You may want to learn so much in that area as well, so I'm going to link both videos so that you can get to learn, and then you can get yourself acquainted with the different type of needle, when to use what type of needle, and how to go about with your needle test. Okay, so now you just want to keep repeating that process. Make sure that whatever combination you start with is what you want to continue with. So once you put the second one, take a look at how I'm going to be doing it. You go in and then you pick your spacing, and then you come out at that spacing. Can you see? Right at the edge of this neckline. You just want to do it to be really close to the edge. Okay, and then once that is done, you can now start to pick the next set of beads just like that. Just make sure that the combination you start with is this combination that you continue with. Just as you see me, I continue with 1 lilac, 1 purple, and 1 lilac. Also note that it doesn't have to be 3 beads. You can use more than 3 beads, but the more the beads, the wider the design is now going to look. Okay, but the same process applies whether you are changing the beads, whether you are changing the type of beads, the size of beads, or the color combination. The same process applies. So I'm going to leave you all to watch this closely. Don't forget, I'm going to link the videos that I mentioned, which is the type of beading needles video, and also the video that talks about the different kind of beads. I'm going to link it in the description for you to see. Okay, so watch closely at how I create this so that you can also use it to recreate yours as well. I'm going to keep quiet now so you watch closely on how we are going to achieve this design. Now after a few minutes, here is what our neckline is looking like already. So in case you did not get how it was done earlier, I had to speed up the video just a little bit so that I do not take so much of your time while we are learning. Okay, so watch closely again how I'm going to be doing it this time. I believe it will be more clearer to you. Okay, ensure that the spacing between one and the next one is close together, and also make sure that whatever you are picking on the upper part, it's really close to like the edge of the fabric right there. Okay, so also one thing you also need to understand is that the way you are picking your beads, the combination should also be the same thing from like start to finish, so that everything looks equal and everything looks even. In this combination, you can even have it to be one purple, which is going to be the first, then you have the 2 lilac coming after the purple, instead of having the purple in between. I'm just telling you this so that you can know in diverse ways by which you can actually manipulate this design. You all know that on this channel, whatever we are learning, we want to have a good understanding of what we are learning, just so that when you are on your own, you know many ways that you can manipulate whatever it is that you have learned, so that it can suit whatever that you intend in your mind to create. So do not limit this design to just the contrasting color at the center. It can be at the beginning, it can be at the end, and I've also made mention that you can even use more than 3 beads at once. All right, I know you have found this video helpful already, so now is a good time to give it a thumbs up. Also leave me some sweet comments. Let me know what you think about this design in the comment section. And also, if you are not subscribed yet, now is a good time to do so. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so if you would like to see a video tutorial of how to create this sleeve, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and you can also let me know in the comments as well. And also make sure that your notification bell is turned on, so that when I post it next, you get to be the first to see that video. This sleeve is trending right now, so I know that you may need the tutorial, but I just want to be sure we all need the tutorial before I go ahead to create it. Here is a final look of this neckline. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. You can also check out how cool and how neat this looks, because we did it on a clean base, and you can see the contrasting purple color just sort of pop right there, and it looks really good. Make sure that you check out other video tutorial on this channel. You can see here are playlist of the tutorials on the channel, and also here are latest recent videos on the channel as well. And before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your other sewing friends, and also subscribe if you have not done so already. And I'll see you again in this next sewing tutorial. Thanks for watching.